Ooh! Hella nice! Ooh. Okay.
Yeah.
Like now.
Yeah, now you got like a good grip on it.
Oh, don't say that, bro. You just fucking jinxing me.
Oh yes, yes,
Yes! No, just the stick. Stick is the only thing that's. Okay, there you go. Yay! Look, we got it, guys. Fuck.
Yeah.
And lock it in place when installing the lock ring. Be very careful not to drop the lock ring inside the house. Yeah, think so? Oh my gosh. Alright, take a look at these headlights. These are LED headlights. And they look nice. Sorry. So these are the new LED headlights that I just installed on the 1999 Mazda Miata. This is in low beam. Here is in high beam. Everything has LEDs now in the back. Oh man, it makes it look so much nicer. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. It looks good. So, I'll do another review in a couple months, but yeah, I definitely think this is a big upgrade from the stock LED or stock halogen, I guess, H4 bulbs that were already in the car originally. So yeah, I recommend this. For only like 30 bucks, it's a pretty good deal. But it is really hard to install at first. Just make sure you follow the instructions in the manual, because we ended up getting the plastic piece stuck in the housing like it warned us about. But yeah, good luck. Links down in the description below if you want to go buy it. Thanks.